Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be tackling the first page in a brand new sketchbook. So I bought the Canson mixed media sketchbook for my new one. I really like the paper, definitely a lot better than the drawing paper that they have. And this one I feel like it's a lot more white, the other one is kind of slightly yellow. So I turned to the second page, and on the back I will start sketching thumbnails of what I think the first page will look like. So I started throwing around an idea of having two characters at the front. I definitely knew I wanted a big little sign of saying welcome to my sketchbook and all that, but I wasn't quite sure who I wanted there. So I thought about Mickey and Minnie, and I thought about Kevin and Kiki, but wasn't quite sure what to do. So I kind of tossed around a couple ideas to see who I think would look the best there. So I ended up choosing Minnie Mouse and Kiki because I was having a little bit of an issue with drawing Mickey. So yeah, you'll see that in a second. So yeah, I chose a pretty simple design, but I thought it turned out really cute. So you can see I tossed around a couple more ideas of how I wanted the banner to look. I looked at drawing Kiki waving and Mickey's face. So I had also thought of an idea of having a vending machine, like a little toy vending machine where you have all the toys in there and the claw is holding up a sign that says welcome to my sketchbook. I thought about that, and I did actually draw that as like a little sample thing on like little note cards. So that is something I would definitely recommend doing if you have any issues trying to decide what to do or anything like that. I definitely recommend trying out your idea on a little piece of note card. So I started sketching out Minnie. I thought she did turn out pretty cute. Her face did kind of turn out a little strange in the end, but I did think she turned out really cute. So here I'm just drawing the little box for my little welcome sign, and then at the bottom I just put the dates. So that was one thing I forgot to do in my last sketchbook. I didn't write down the exact date that I started it, so wish I did that though. So now I'm going to go in with our coloring. So I'm putting in a little piece of paper just in case it bleeds to the next, but I didn't have any issues with that. So that's always nice, so that your markers don't bleed to the next page. So I start coloring in her bow with red. I had thought about doing her in like the blue dress, but I decided I would choose the red and polka dots, which I forgot to put on the polka dots. If you saw at the end of the video, I forgot. Well, I didn't have my white gel pen, and I forgot to get it, so it ended up just a red dress, so I might go back later and do polka dots, but anyway. Started coloring in her face, and I did actually have some strange smudging. I don't know if you guys can see that, but near the eyelashes and everything, I don't know if the ink wasn't dry or whatever, but it had an issue and smudge. So I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I can still see it. whenever you get that brand new sketchbook and you really want to start in it, but you're really nervous about doing your first page, I recommend skipping the first page completely. So you have your front page and the front and back of the first page. So I just skip those completely because those you can use for your cover and your thumbnails on the back. So just move completely to the third page and you can start drawing and just kind of feel a little bit freer to do whatever. And it's okay if you mess up. It is totally fine. My first actual page in my sketchbook didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it, but I do think it still turned out cute and definitely relieved a lot of the stress that first page can cause. So I definitely recommend doing that before actually plunging into the first page. So here I was coloring in the tongue and I actually made a mistake with my markers. So I looked at my little color sheet and it was color I thought was really cute, but it turned out more orange than I was anticipating. So yeah, so I had to go back and fix that. So here, as you can see, it didn't just bleed too much. It did actually bleed where Kiki is because I didn't have any cover in there, but Minnie's didn't show up on the back page because I had that other piece of paper for the vending machine, so that was nice. So here I was working on the title, or just the word sketchbook. I thought about doing it in ink, but then I decided I would do it in marker, just kind of break up all the black, and thought I'd add a little bit more color to it. Like, I thought it turned out really cute. So here I just decided to add a little bit of a drop shadow onto the sketchbook sign, the welcome to my sketchbook sign, so I thought that did turn out cute. I did kind of mess up the top of the sign, as you can see with the inking, but I don't think it just is that noticeable. That is my first page in my brand new sketchbook. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There was definitely things I wanted to improve on this page, but I do think it turned out really cute. Don't forget to vote on Thursday's video up in the iCard, and I will hope to see you guys Thursday. Bye!